Inspired by ease and artistry in the palm of your hand, introducing my new Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. This hydrating, ultra-luxe cheek and lip cream palette is filled with 4 multi-use shades designed to complement all skin tones. They're so easy to use. It's like finger painting. Use your fingers or a brush and simply tap onto the cheeks or lips. You can start subtle or go for maximum impact by adding additional layers. And the formula, it's radiant, dewy color that's never patchy and completely buildable. Designed to give you color and glow on the go. Dewy Cheek and Lip Palettes come in 2 different shade stories. Do It Flirty, pinks with vivacious shades of berry, rose, and peaches. And Do It Undercover, nudes curated with cool taupes and warm browns. Discover the ease of artistry with my Dewy Cheek and Lip Palettes. Get yours today at Sephora.